Welcome to Speak English with Ryan, your ultimate guide to mastering the English language. In today's video, we're going to explore the steps you need to take to become fluent in English. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate learner, these tips will help you achieve your goal of fluency. Tip number 1: Immerse yourself in English. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Watch English movies, listen to English music, and read English books. The more exposure you have, the faster you'll improve. Tip number 2: Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Set aside time each day to practice your English skills. Whether it's speaking, writing, or listening, regular practice will help reinforce what you've learned and build your confidence. Tip number 3: Focus on speaking. Speaking is often the most challenging aspect of language learning, but it's also the most important. Find opportunities to speak English whenever you can. Practice with friends, join language exchange groups, or even talk to yourself in front of the mirror. Tip number 4: Expand your vocabulary. The more words you know, the better you'll be able to express yourself. Make it a habit to learn new words every day. Keep a vocabulary journal, use flashcards, or download language learning apps to help you expand your vocabulary. Tip number 5: Be patient and persistent. Learning a new language takes time and effort, so be patient with yourself. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, as they are an essential part of the learning process. Stay motivated and keep pushing yourself forward. And there you have it. By immersing yourself in English, practicing regularly, focusing on speaking, expanding your vocabulary, and staying patient and persistent, you'll be well on your way to becoming fluent in English. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on mastering the English language. See you next time.